What are the data privacy risks in HR predictive analytics? Imagine a workplace where data helps improve decisions, but at what cost to privacy? That's what we're exploring today. Predictive analytics in human resources uses data and algorithms to forecast things like employee turnover, performance, or hiring success. This technology can make workplaces more efficient and fair. But it also comes with some risks that organizations need to handle carefully. One big concern is unauthorized access to sensitive employee data. When companies collect information like salaries, health records, or performance reviews, they need strong security. If someone without permission gets in, it can lead to privacy breaches that damage trust and morale. Another risk is data breaches. Storing large amounts of employee data makes organizations targets for hackers. A breach can result in legal penalties, harm to the company's reputation, and loss of employee confidence. Protecting data with encryption and secure systems is essential to avoid this. Misuse of data is also a concern. Algorithms might unintentionally reinforce biases if they relying on past data that reflects inequality. This can lead to unfair treatment, like denying promotions or training based on biased predictions. Regularly checking models for bias helps prevent this. The complexity of predictive models can create transparency issues. If employees or HR managers don't understand how decisions are made, suspicion can grow. Explaining how models work and what data is used builds trust and clarity. Predictive analytics produces probabilities, not certainties. Sometimes, it wrongly labels employees as low performers or high risk. This can lead to unfair decisions like denying opportunities, which hurts morale and development. Continuous monitoring and validation of models help reduce errors. Proper anonymization of data is vital. If personal identifiers aren't removed, individuals can be identified even in small datasets. This increases privacy risks and discourages honest sharing of information. Using techniques to anonymize data minimizes this issue. Finally, organizations face challenges with evolving privacy laws. Laws like the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe or the California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States set strict rules on data collection and use. Noncompliance can lead to fines and damage to reputation. Staying updated on these laws and following best practices is key. To keep privacy safe while using predictive analytics, companies should create clear data governance policies. These policies define who can access data and for what reasons. Using strong security measures like encryption and access controls is also important. Communicating openly with employees about what data is collected and how it's used builds trust. Regularly reviewing and auditing models for bias and accuracy helps ensure fairness. Training HR staff on data privacy, laws, and ethical use of data is another good step. Applying anonymization techniques protects individual identities, and involving employees in discussions about data use encourages transparency and acceptance. By balancing the benefits of predictive analytics with solid privacy protections, organizations can make smarter decisions while respecting employee privacy. This approach helps create a workplace where employees feel valued, trusted, and secure.